desire, arthi. Then Vidyarthi means what? One who desire the knowledge. Did you understand, everybody? What is Vidyarthi means? One who desire the knowledge. Then if you want to get knowledge, we must practice 5 qualities in our life. One or way, not only you are Vidyarthi, we also searching for knowledge. Did you understand? Till the end, we are desiring for knowledge. So, all are belonging to the category of Vidyarthi. Did you understand? Then, first qualities of Vidyarthi is Kaka Cheshta. It means effort of crow. Once in our small time, you and me might have read or studied the story of thirsty crow. Cheshta means effort. Kaka means crow. The effort of crow. All Vidyarthi must have the effort of a thirsty crow. No need to tell you how the crow was searching water for him. He was searching all around. Even village after village might have gone, city after city might have gone, country after country might have gone. But he at last found a pot, a picture of the pot, picture on the ground. Then he knows something will be there. In his intelligence, he thought of something will be, there will be little water. When he looked into the water, there was a little water. And what can I do? But I have a thirsty. I must quench my thirst. What I have to do? I must drink the water. Then he looked around. Everywhere, what shall I do? He thought, how can I get water from this picture? Then he saw a tiny pebble or stones on the ground. He took it one by one. How long time it might have taken? 1 hour. Tiny tiny stones will take more time than big stones. But he never left. He never left his intention to drink the water. The same way, the Vidyarthi should have the effort, patience in all your subjects. Did you understand? All subjects we can be put in our hands. That is our effort, patience. We should not leave any subject. This is not merely subject I cannot leave. No, we must acquire it like a crow. That is why I said Kaka Cheshta. The effort of the crow we must have in our life. Second one is Bhakko Dhyana. Bhakko means crane. You must see a crane by the big beak and near the pond or river. He is focusing on fish. Dhyana means focus. He is looking to get something. What he must do? He must leave all the small ones. He wants big fish. So he wants big fish. So he must leave small ones. He will allow them to swim around him or he will leave it to get a big fish. The same way, you must focus on your studies this week. No play, no nothing. You can play. When you are not tired, 1 hour, half an hour, let me free my mind. Then you must be focused on your studies this week. No point thinking. My smart, I must have everything should be in my hand. So you must have the qualities of Bhakko Dhyana. The focus like a crow. Then third one is Swana Nidra. Swana Nidra means swan means dove. Nidra means sleep. You know the sleep, how dog is sleeping? Alert. He will be alert always. He knows each step ears of the creatures which is near to him. He knew and a strange sound is coming, he will get up. Soon he will get up. He is alerting himself. Something is happening in my surrounding. The same way Vidyarthi should be alert always in his life. Not only knowledge in the books, alert. When you go out, you must see what is there. Capture something, study from it. You must be alert every day. Each moment of our life, we must be alert. Then fourth one is Alpahari. Alpa means little. Ahar means food. We have 5 senses now. Each senses have its own food. For eyes, food is to see, mobile, TV, natural scenery, everything. For nose is smelling. For tongue is tasty food. I am not telling you should eat small, little quantities of food. Not that. What is necessary, we must capture from the world. Now you must live this one eating the food of senses. Little. You must focus on your studies. That is why I tell you Alpahari. Get knowledge, enrich. It will go into which is deepening in our heart. The problems it will keep in our heart, and it will not it will affect our studies. That is why I am telling Alpahari. Then fifth one is Grihatyagi. Griha means house. Tyagi means living. On olden time, people were leaving their homes and going to Gurukula. Their comfort. It means you must reject your comfort zones. You must be thoroughly, then only you can pursue, you can acquire the knowledge. You must live your problems, your daily, what is happening in your, you must live. That is the effort, the sacrifice. The 5 things you practice in your life, you will be a good Vidyarthi. First is, what I said, Kakacheshta. First one is Kakacheshta, the effort of thirsty crow. Then second one is Vakodhyana, focus like a crane. Look into your studies, not going there here flexing, only your studies this week. Let me take, only I will think about my exam. Then third one is Swana Nidra, alertness of like a dog. I will be alert. Always I will alert. Then fourth one is Alpahari, little food, not eating food. Sister told today little food enough, no. Little food of senses. Food of senses which I meant, not for another one. Okay? Then fifth one is Grihatyagi, leaving merely things which is hindrance for my studies. My friendship, leave it, which is not fit for my studies. Okay? Wish you all the best. Study nicely, listen, and what I said, keep in your heart. Now you will not understand. After 20 years, 10 years, you will understand the meaning. Then that time you will remember me. Thank you. Have a nice day.